friends, good morning. Welcome to my Three's Kitchen. So today recipe is festival recipe. Today we are going to do Ugadi Special. On the eve of Ugadi there are a lot of varieties of recipes, but I have chosen to showcase Pulihora in temple style. So the main ingredients to do our Ugadi Special recipe, which is Pulihora, is red chili, jaggery, curry leaves, followed with all these items, which is our groundnut, cumin seeds, peppercorns, chana dal, urad dal, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, rice, along with thick tamarind juice. So these are the main ingredients that is needed to do our temple style Pulihora, which is our Ugadi special for the day. So let us get into our recipe. So friends, to do our temple style Pulihora on the eve of Ugadi special, we can actually cook the rice in the cooker itself to save a lot of time. So I have just taken my 2-liter prestige cooker. I have added 1 cup of rice. I am going to add 2 cups of water. So that is the measurement that you need to do it. So for 1 cup of rice, please add 2 cups of water and pressure cook the rice for only 1 whistle, not more than that, and off the gas and wait for 5 minutes. So let me just close the lid. Let us start. Enhances the old taste of Pulihora, followed with 2 tablespoons of urad dal, peppercorns around 1.5 tablespoons, as we are going to have chili as well. So followed with our peppercorns, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. So dry roast everything well. Roast it to a slight brown color. So once the color changes, so let it sit in the room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes and dry roast it to a coarse powder. Yes, you can find all the ingredients are getting dry roasted. You can make out with the splutter noise. Yes, so our whistle is also come. So I am going to off the stove just with 1 whistle. So our ingredients is also ready. So I am offing the stove. You can find our ingredients are nicely roasted. Now we need to grind it to a coarse powder. So friends, let us add our roasted ingredients to the mixie jar and grind it to a coarse powder, and let us see what is next. So friends, let us see how well is our rice cooked. The pressure is completely released. Yes, the rice has come out well. It's nice and fluffy. So let us keep this aside. So now we have taken a non-stick pan. I have added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. You can add either gingery oil or refined oil. Gingery oil will give a very yummy taste, so try adding gingery oil. So the more you add the oil, the more taste for Pulihora mix. So now we have added 4 tablespoons to 5 tablespoons of gingery oil. So I am going to add one by one the following ingredients for the part of seasoning. Yes, so starting with our mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon. So followed with mustard seeds, I am going to add cumin seeds, That's again 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Followed with cumin seeds, gonna add urad dal, 1 tablespoon again. Followed with urad dal, of course, chana dal. So let everything get splattered. For Ugadi, they actually do a lot of recipes. The key recipes are boli in coconut and dal boli they do it. Followed with pulihora, which is one of the main dishes. Along with pulihora, they also do mango pachdi, which is a side dish for it. So these all are very important on the eve of Ugadi festival. In that we have chosen our pulihora mix. This pulihora mix is also a kind of variety rice which can be packed for office for our lunch time. So that is the reason to choose this recipe and showcasing the same. So now you can find all the items are getting splattered. At this moment we are going to add our curry leaves. Be careful while adding the curry leaves. So as the curry leaves are added, we are going to add red chilli. Red chilli you can add as per the taste, as we have added peppercorns in our coarse powder. I have added 3 small size red chilli. So as the red chilli is added, I am going to add 1 cup of peanut. So let us add the peanut into this mix. So as the peanut gets slightly roasted, you will get a very nice aroma of the peanut. At that stage, let us see what is the next ingredient to be added. So friends, you can find our peanut, everything is nicely got roasted. At this stage, I am going to add our tamarind extract, which is a key ingredient to our pulihora rice. So add the tamarind extract as per the rice you have cooked. So I am going to add half a cup of tamarind water. Nice smell. So as the tamarind water gets boiled, let us see what is next. So let us leave it for a boil for a minute or so. So friends, you can find our tamarind extract is nicely getting boiled. We have not added salt at all, so please add the salt for the whole dish. So as the tamarind water is getting boiled, we need to add our coarse powder which we just grinded fresh. So let us start adding the coarse powder into our jaggery, into our tamarind water, So friends, you can find our jaggery water is nicely getting cooked. It's nicely getting boiled. So this is the coarse powder that we had grinded. So add the coarse powder to the above masala. I am adding around 7 tablespoons for the rice quantity. So this is one of the key things to get this temple style pulihora mix, which enhances the flavor and the taste of the whole dish. So as the powder is added, one important point to be noted at this stage is we are going to add a very small quantity of jaggery. This is the secret of this recipe. So now I am just going to add a very small amount of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of jaggery, which really gives a superb taste for the pulihora. So I am just going to add 1 tablespoon of organic jaggery. If you are using the ordinary jaggery, you can please wash it and strain the water and add the jaggery water. But now this is organic jaggery, which will usually not have any dirt. So I have just added the jaggery just like that in the above masala. Check for all the spice. If needed, you can add the powder. Check for the salt, everything now. So after a minute or so, once it starts getting boiled, we need to add our cooked fluffy rice which has come out in a correct consistency. So friends, you can find everything is nicely mixed. So this is the right time to add our cooked rice. So let us start adding the rice and mix it well. Please cook the rice as per the measurement set. For 1 cup of rice, please add 2 cups of water so that you get a fluffy rice like this and the pulihora mix comes out very well. Yes, so the rice is also added. Now give a quick mix. So friends, you can find our rice is nicely mixed with the masala, the tamarind extract. So now we can off the stove and it is ready to be displayed. So friends, here goes our yummy Ugadi special recipe, which is our pulihora mix. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye-bye. Happy Ugadi to all the viewers. Thank you.